Hi everyone, Gemma here, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to letter some basic words that may come in handy for you to learn. So some of the topics I'll be covering today include days of the week, months, numbers, greeting card phrases and bullet journal essentials. I'm using the Pentel Few Day Touch brush pen to create these. These are my favourite pens to write with and very beginner friendly. If you want to get started with calligraphy, I'd definitely recommend getting yourself one of these. I'll link all of the tools that I use today down in the description as well. These are my personal preferences for writing these words, but you may want to recreate them with your own flair, which is something that I find tends to come with time. One thing I love about modern calligraphy is that you don't have to stick to the rules. So you may prefer to write your letters with a capital letter, or you can do them lowercase. It really doesn't matter, it's meant to be creative and what feels best for you. This video is going to be quite casual, so I won't be narrating what I'm doing, but if you do have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below, and let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and please consider subscribing for future similar content. And thank you for watching.